Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely little 108 in the active specification. So this vehicle has a DAB digital radio, air conditioning, speed limiter, but also has some great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.